Hey, it's Clary here, and today I'll be showcasing 5 plugins you need for your server. As a preface, with Server.pro installing plugins has never been this easy. If you find plugins you like the sound of in this list, all you have to do is head to our control panel, into your service, and press Browse under Plugins. You can search for the plugin in the Browse tab and press Install Latest. That instantly downloads the plugin, and then all you have to do is restart the server for the changes to take effect. First and foremost, we recommend the EssentialsX plugin. The name itself is explanatory. This plugin provides core functionality and essential commands everyone wants on their server, such as /home, /warp, /spawn, and /tpa. It also provides chat moderation features such as mute, unmute, and ignore. And for those who look for economy features on their server, this plugin provides the ability to use commands such as /balance, /pay, and /money. Not just that, but the plugin also allows for configuration, meaning you can head to your server's files and config, and you're able to edit anything in this plugin to your liking. If you'd like to see further information on this, we actually have a tutorial on how to set up EssentialsX. We'll leave that in the description. Another plugin you absolutely need on your server is going to be grief prevention. This is a popular Minecraft plugin designed to protect land from griefing by establishing a system of claims. All you have to do once the plugin is downloaded is go to an area you want to claim and use the /claim command. You're also able to trust the other players to your claim if they're your friend. If you want to find out how to abandon a claim, how to gain more claim blocks, and many other commands, you can check out the plugin's documentation, which we'll leave in the description. This next plugin isn't really an essential, but it definitely adds more fun to your server. This plugin adds various sitting, laying, and crawling animations. It allows players to sit on stairs, chairs, and other blocks, as well as lay down, belly flop, spin, and crawl on the ground. All you have to do is just use their respective commands like so, and ta-da! If you want to see the full list of commands, you can check out the plugin page, which we'll leave in the description. This next plugin adds a lot of fun to your server. JobsReborn introduces a job system into the game. It allows players to choose different professions and earn in-game currency by performing tasks related to their job. To join a job, all you have to do is enter the command /jobsjoin and then select. For example, if selecting digger, you just have to dig and you earn money over time. This currency can be used to purchase items, upgrades, or other in-game benefits. Not only that, but you also have access to job quests, which will grant you more money. Keep in mind that this plugin also has a dependency you have to install in order for it to work. We'll be leaving that in the description. So the last one on our list is Discord SRV. It's a really handy plugin that connects your server to Discord. This is just so you can chat and hang out with everyone even when you're not online. It's pretty cool because you can see what's going on in the game, even if you're not there. For example, say someone types something in game, you'll be able to go ahead and view what they said in the respective Discord channel. The only thing to note about this plugin is that you'll have to make sure you configure it correctly. Luckily, we have a video showcasing you how to do so make sure you head over to our tutorial, which we'll leave in the description. I hope I was able to assist you in setting up your server. If you have any further questions, please leave a comment down below or contact our support. Bye guys!